This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Joe in Callaway. Gulf Harbour Bellavista Cortina Floorplan shows like a model. With elevator access, this open floor plan features a window wall with third floor pool and golf course views. Upgraded kitchen cabinetry with granite, stainless, breakfast bar adjacent to dining area that opens to the living room with tray ceiling and access to the lanai. Master bedroom suite with plantation shutters plus private bath upgraded with Comfort Height Cabinetry, frameless shower surround, and bathtub. Guest bath has upgraded cabinetry, wainscoting and tub-shower, both baths have Comfort Height toilets. Guest bedroom has wainscoting and plantation shutters. Den has 10 pane glass French doors with plantation shutters on doors and window. Flooring is new luxury plank vinyl throughout with matching tile in the lanai. Lighting, fans and plumbing are all upgraded. Oversized 2-car garage is painted and has Dri-Deck flooring, golf cart is negotiable, storage unit is outside front door in Breezeway. 186 slip deep water marina with slips available for lease or purchase. Some amenities herein available but not offered. Square feet. Approximate or from Lee County tax data. For more information, review the details below or contact Joe in Callaway at 239-980-9999.